We got to the pool a little early. It doesn't open till 10 a.m. So the kids and I are hanging out on the beach over here. Mia really wanted to sit in a hammock. So, did you get in the hammock? Why don't you flip it over? It is 9:40 on Wednesday, the 29th of May. We were originally going to go to Hollywood Studios this morning and do like a rope drop thing and then come back, maybe do the pool in the afternoon and then go to Epcot in the evening. But we were really tired after a full day at Magic Kingdom and also hopping over to Epcot to eat, and we didn't get back to our hotel till like 9, I don't know, it was probably like 9:40, 9:30 when we got back last night. So we just decided, and we had rope dropped, so we were up and out like really early yesterday. So we just decided, I mean, everything was kind of up in the air and it really didn't matter. So I told everybody, why don't we just sleep in? We'll take a low-key morning and we'll go to Epcot later this afternoon. We'll have some other days to do Hollywood Studios, so it's no big deal. And this way we get some rest, everybody feels better, and we can enjoy the pool right when it opens. Mia's enjoying the hammock. You liking it?
Yep.
Yay! Where do we want to go, guys? Close to the water slide or over here? Look at how fun! Oh, there's the water. That's the water slide. Do you guys want to be close to that? I think there might be one over there too. Oh, look, that's a cute slide, guys. Oh, it's so pretty. How's it feel? You gonna go under? Race. Which one? Do you want to go this one? All right. at Banana Cabana for lunch. This is coconut shrimp. I got the salad with jerk chicken. It looks really good, and it has like cilantro vinaigrette. Looks super yummy. Mackenzie got kids cheeseburger with applesauce and fries. Mia got mac and cheese with applesauce fries. She got a Coke with hers. And then Daddy has his refillable mug. Going over Caribbean Beach. There's our section. Trinidad. Way over there. I know. We're going over.
Welcome aboard.
No, this isn't
You are on
Rome.
the Disney Skyliner.
Yeah. You can see World Showcase over there
Hold on to
too.
your straw hats. We are about to enter the heart of the Caribbean.
See, you can see the pool over there. A little island.
We are now sailing over Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, home to a collection of tropical villages inspired by the colorful architecture and lifestyle of the Caribbean islands. In just a minute, we will be arriving at Disney's Riviera Resort, a Disney vacation club that celebrates the relaxing seaports and romantic vistas of Europe's Mediterranean coast.
It's 3:30 p.m. We were waiting in line for Remy. When we first got here, it said it was a 35-minute wait, and I figured it had probably gone down, and that's why it was so low. I was like, we gotta get there. Once we got there, it said 50 minutes wait. When we walked in, as soon as we were in the line, it said 65. Then it went up to 85, then it went to 95. We were probably only about a 10-minute wait away from getting on the ride, and they shut it down due to technical difficulties. So we got a fast, like a lightning lane that we can use on it later. So hopefully we can get back over here when it's up and hop on that. The only thing we have a reservation for today is dinner at Hacienda de San Angel right before the fireworks. So that's the only other thing we have to do besides Guardians, but probably do Moana's water, maybe the Mexico boat ride, maybe a few other things. We'll see. So we haven't even ridden anything today, but we haven't been here that long, maybe just like 45 minutes. So we're gonna head up, ride Guardians and get that out of the way, and then just kind of chill. We're all utilizing the neck towels today, keeping ourselves cool. Even Daddy's using it today, even though has his on. We're walking by Canada. We went over to use our Remy virtual queue, and they informed us that it was an extra long wait, like 30 to 45 minutes. And I was like, well, that's not bad. I'm used to staying in that. We walked in and people were like sitting on the floor in the first room, like sitting on the floor. So they had been waiting. So they said it's gonna. It looked like it would take like at least over an hour to 2 hours. I don't know. So they said it was an extended wait, and so they went ahead and gave us a lightning lane to come back and do it sometime later in the day. So we're 2 for 2 today. We haven't even gotten on a ride yet. We're gonna go and do Spaceship Earth because it's only 10 minutes, and that'll be a win to get a ride in. Gosh.
Welcome aboard.
Okay, we finally got on a ride. If this one breaks down, then we've got really bad luck.
Please remain seated. Your time machine vehicle will begin moving again at any moment. Please remain seated. We'll resume our journey shortly. Thank you.
We got stuck on another ride. Well, to be fair, we didn't get stuck on any of the other ones. We just got stuck in the lines for them. At least we got to ride almost the whole ride.
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future.
There we are!
In the future, the city will be a great place to work. Innovative office buildings on your preferences and what's on your calendar for the day. Need to be somewhere? No problem. Just pack up and go. Your smart information network can bring you your daily news. Since you do your best thinking alone, you can bring your digital display glasses that bring you messages and news. This just the end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
There we are, you see it? Remy is going to lead us through Moana's The Journey of Water. Mackenzie, you stand on it and wave. Raise it up higher. We're going on the wet path. All right. Yay! Noise. Ah, it didn't even get you. All right, go ahead. Yeah. Oh, you just missed it. It's 5:30. We were able to get on Remy, and we were in the lightning lane this time since the ride broke down when we were in line, so we didn't have to wait but like maybe 10 minutes or so to get on. It was pretty fast. And did you guys like it?
I loved it.
Loved it. Yeah, it was fun. Only other thing we really need to do is Guardians.
Oh yeah.
We have a lightning lane for that now, but I kind of wanted to let the line die down a little bit because it was temporarily closed and the line was like just standstill and people were just sitting in there. So I kind of want to let that die down a little bit, and then we'll go and try to get on that before our 7:45 dinner reservation. So that's the plan for the rest of the day, and then we'll watch the fireworks from our dinner spot. That'll be super fun. It'll be our first like official firework viewing. We kind of saw them from our resort 2 days ago, but just like little pieces of it. We got drinks at Joffrey's, some frozen lemonade. Mia got blue raspberry flavor. So did Mackenzie. Cooling off here in the America Pavilion. In the American Adventure area. In the nice air conditioning. Getting our internal temperature back to normal before we go all the way back up to the front of the park to get in line for Guardians. So.
I know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? You made it! I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime?
See all cool?
In just a few moments, we'll be out. So you can experience for yourself what's happening.
I'm not sure. My power's out. And the cosmic generator is gone.
Clear your mind.
I have been watching terrans for eons. This species has failed.
Wait, whoa, we didn't even know there was a test.
These are the cosmic generator.
Jump on to where?
Not where, when.
So good, you jump point. It's going back to the dawn of time.
I feel like we just need to hold on to that side.
You what?
I feel like we just need to hold on to
Oh, I didn't need to. I'm sorry.
Like, yeah.
Was it too tight?
No, like
I just
I
didn't-
didn't need it.
Oh,
Not that,
okay.
Like, I didn't,
Okay. I wasn't sure if you were gonna be like really scared.
no,
So-
I'm not.
They did Guardians for the first time. Consensus is what?
Now I can do any ride.
Yay!
Almost. Unless it's with
What'd you think?
a loop.
It's incredible.
I don't know.
Such a good ride.
I don't know if I can do one with the loop that goes upside down.
I bet you
might.
could.
Hello! Like warm hugs too, yeah? I'll be out in a minute. Oh, with every purchase, free lutefisk. Wandering out in here. Happy summer snow day from me to you.
Okay, so for the kids' meal, they have like appetizers, entrees, kind of a create your own selection with vegetables, and then desserts. And kids create your own selection is their sides. So every meal comes with 2 sides. So each of the kids' meals, they pick an entree, and then it comes with their choice of green beans, rice, corn, or fruit. I think Mackenzie's gonna do, what are you doing, the beef tacos? And Mia's gonna do the chicken tenders. So that's what we're doing for kids. And then we're gonna get the totopos, just chips with white cheddar and salsa. And then I think I'm gonna do the cochinita pibil, and Bo is gonna do pollo poblano right here. And then he said they're known for the San Angel in Margarita, and then I think this one, Oso Buca la Mexicana, and Cochinita Pibil, which is what I'm getting. That's a really popular one. Chicken tacos. He's got a little flag in it. I can't see the flag. Can you hold the plate up a little bit? And these are the pork, whatever it is, and plantains. That's like one of the main reasons I wanted this. I wanted the plantains. We got some rice. Mackenzie got the beef. Sorry. Beef tacos with corn and with rice and green beans. Mia got chicken tenders. Is that corn?
Yeah.
Oh, with corn.
Yeah,
Nice.
This is
Nice. And rice. Corn and rice. This looks yummy. noise.
On behalf of everyone here at Epcot,
Right when I was going to say
thank you for
something.
joining us today on a journey full of discovery, innovation, and the magic of human connection. From its opening day, the goal of Epcot has been to entertain, inform, and inspire, but above all, to celebrate a world in which we celebrate each other.
No, that's okay. I turned it on to say something, but now this guy's talking about Epcot. Okay. So we had an awesome dinner. It was like the perfect amount of food for me. Did you feel like you got enough food? The girls enjoyed their food. The pork meal that I got was incredibly flavorful. The pork was so tender. It was so good. And the plantains added like really unique flavor to it, like some sweetness to it, which was really good. Bo loved the rice, that ginormous bowl of rice. He probably ate most of it. Like, I didn't even eat that much of it. It was so funny. Oh, look how beautiful this is over here. Look.
It looks like a castle.
It's so gorgeous. So pretty. It's so gorgeous here at night.
I'm talking about my own thing.
What are you talking about?
Weird stuff.
Weird stuff. China looks kind of cool too. They're up ahead. We'll catch up.
But I'm your editor.
You're my fast walking buddy. We're gonna catch up in no time.
Yeah.
Me as a speed walker in training.
Yeah.
She's a speed walker in training. I'm teaching her the ways of the Gillespies.
I'm probably
my Gillespie
like
family.
between the pro and the beginner, maybe.
Beginner fat speed walker.
Yeah.
It's all right. You got to start somewhere. You're getting there though.
Yep.
You've been like, you've been really keeping up. Proud of you.
And I'm ahead of you.
You are ahead of me.
Yep. We're
And we're catching up to them.